Welcome to my Winter Plannerland vlog. Patty's washing dishes. Marg's just being Marg. But I flew here and then we went to eat and now we're here. We're in the middle of the woods, the middle of nowhere, but Patty has a full tablescape going. I'll give you a full tour when it's done, but we're in for a treat. We have a fireplace. Did you guys turn this on? Yeah, I just did. Have a fireplace that's feeling chilly. Turn on your fireplace. And we're about to have a great time. Patty and I were at Starbucks and Kroger's. It is Friday morning. I just put up new releases. And we're gonna be the heroes with all the food. And Yesenia's over there too. Party! And in case anyone was wondering, I did drive the 15 minutes to get Starbucks. And it was just like a added bonus that there was a Kroger's. And also check out my new bracelets. Thanks Irene for hooking me up. I love them. They have the rose gold, silver, and gold, and I love it. I'm here with my best friends.
Guys, it's Monique.
It's Janet.
Like literally, these are my favorite people. I brought them stuff. Like you're on my list. But yeah, we're just hanging out in the lodge. I don't think I showed this yet, but we're just chilling, catching up, and doing our thing, right?
All right.
Absolutely.
All right, well, I miss you guys. She's not coming to my party. She's giving me a family thing. Like, who needs that? No one.
Nobody.
Janet will be. Janet,
Nobody.
there's
Janet.
no, she was like, I don't care. Somebody's getting married? No, we're going to be there.
Because she knows I'll come to Austin some other time.
Yeah,
it's like
we're going
that. 'Cause it's like
we're
that.
going to have like a little party.
Yeah, we'll have our own party.
And in Vegas, we're going to have a party. So
Yes, absolutely.
it's okay, but I'm happy I saw you. Well, we're going to see each other all weekend.
Yeah.
So, be back later. We're currently at Cracker Barrel. We're the outcast table. But you know, this is the uncool table, right? Anything that's not, yeah. And then this is the cool table.
Much smaller.
Cool.
Smaller. It's much.
It's more exclusive.
This is the VIP table.
VIP.
VIP. Extra VIP.
So I just curled my hair. And I'm waiting for Yesenia to get here. She should be here any second. It's kind of a long walk. There she is.
Hey.
So, you know, Andrea's like thinking.
She thinks I'm mean. We're at registration. And here's our table. We got Patty. What's going on? Lauren and I took our first picture together. Is that our first picture together?
I think so. Oh no, we took one of yesterday.
And we took the boomerang. Can you send me that boomerang? It's been fun. It's been real. I got dressed.
This is your image, so it's just like projecting up here. This is your image. You will want to, now, if you try to add outlines to this by itself before you extract it, it's going to just be a box. And we don't want a box, we want like a cute little outline. So it comes out like extract this image. So you're going to select trays.
Good morning. It is Saturday and I am tired. I slept like 2 hours, but I'm here with my table and I'm going to show you guys what is in it. I'm also here with the Queen P and my angel. So let me show you guys what is in here. So we do have a Happy Scrappy album. This is like exclusive. She's not releasing this. So this is with the Yesenia art. And then we have a little Happy Scrappy kit. There's the Yesenia kit, Queen Pea stuff, a Glam Planner kit, some Fox and Cactus stickers, some foiled Wonton and a Million stickers, and then a goodie bag of Once More with Love stuff. And then in here, there are washi, there is pen, sticky notes, vinyls, seals, journaling cards, and then there's also a insert from So Much Crafting, and then also a TN from Print Pression. I love Kane, he's so cute. So that is my table. So we just got some food. We got these things. We thought they were Danishes, but they do have like actual breakfast food in them. And we got Coke, and we're sitting at the Queen Peace table. I'll give y'all a little tour.
so you can cross it off.
So we're gonna do a contest where we use stickers from our flag to make a layout in this, which is like the Line Life planner to scale. So we're gonna like do that. We'll keep us busy.
How many?
Then we don't do it. I mean, it can be one of those things, but you want it to be something that you're committed to, and you need to give it work and energy and love. So we really think of our budget as something that's a fluid, moving thing with its own energy, and we have to address it all the time and keep it full of work, energy, and love. When you find yourself
I'm currently back in the room. No one else is with me. Everyone else is at the hotel, like the main conference area. But I am so tired, guys. I got like 2-ish hours of sleep last night, so I honestly might take a nap. I feel like super bad, but honestly, like, it's gonna be a long day. Like, I've been up since, is this my, I know it's just like the shadow, but I thought my nose was like ultra contoured, but it's just like the shadow, like of the like angle. Anyways, so I don't know how I'll make it to, I think Jasenia's thing's at like 10 and Maria's is at 8:45, and it's only 3 o'clock, and I've been up since like 5:30, and I went to bed at like 3:30-ish. So I'm pretty tired. I mean, even yesterday was like a long day. So like I'm 100% not going to make it to like Maria's and Jasenia's if I don't take a nap. And I'm just thinking like an hour to 2 hours, but like literally I'm dead. I miss everyone though. I feel like this vlog, like I wanted it to be like really good, but I feel like whenever I like do things like that are like vlog worthy, I'm always like in the moment, so I never want to like vlog because I don't like think about vlogging, you know. But I've been having a really good time. I've met a lot of new people that I've never met before, and then I always got to hang out with people that like I've obviously met before, and I got to meet like people, did I say that before? Meet people that like I've wanted to meet, so I'm really excited about that. Like, who have I met that I haven't met before? Kane. Oh my god, he's so cute, and he's so nice, and like you should definitely order if you haven't already. Print impression, he's so cute. I met Tabitha. Who else have I met that I've never met before? Amanda, Rachel. I feel like I've met most of the other people already. Malika, I'm looking at her thing. Malika, she's funny. I like her. I like anyone who's like funny like I am, like jokesters. I'm a big jokester, you know, but yeah, I'm like literally sleeping with stickers, so good night.
Okay, you might as well play
We're on the floor.
You might as well
Waiting for Jasenia and Maria.
Monty, play the music. Play it.
Look at this flag drop. We have my TN kit, stuff from Jasenia, and then stuff from Maria, and it all looks so good.
Wait, this will work well because I just bought Scribble from I just bought some now.
I just took a shower, and this is what I look like without makeup. I'm sure you guys have seen before. My hair is all up and wet, and I'm so tired. My eyes are so red because they're like, why did you put stuff on me? But I just packed up all my stuff. I literally have no room. I had to destash a little bit, like, to be, like, realistic with myself because I had to, like, sit on my suitcase to close. It was totally wild. But, yeah, I am super tired. It's, like, I actually don't really have a concept of time right now, so it might be, like, 2 in the morning. And I have to wake up at, like, 7:30. And I'm taking, I think, Kiki and Jasenia with me to the airport. We're gonna drop off the car, and then I'm going home. Yeah. We are currently at the airport. We got Kiki, we got some breakfast, and over there we have Jasenia, and then Annie and Maria, or there's Annie and there's Maria, and we're eating. And this is like, this is my favorite place in the whole world right now. I'm about to hit Jasenia in the face. I'm home. Bye, guys. Advent time, day 13. I think this is the last day. I'm gonna have to count. Oh my god, I love this journal card. I have to count to make sure, but I think this is the last day with just the 12 Advent. So this one says, "You will forever be my always," which is super cute. It is foiled, and this was a me day, and I just love this card. I think it's so pretty, and this is kind of going into the fall, and I did do a fall bucket list in foil, which is so cute, in rose gold. This is in Jessica's handwriting, and you have the little bows on the bottom, so you have a bunch of different never before seen bucket list items. I love especially the stock up on fall candles, which I totally do every year. Do you guys do that? I do it, and half the time I don't even burn them all, but I need them. And then the Giving Girl. So the Giving Girl, oh cool, what is this? Ooh! So this is a, oh that's cool. This is a bookmark. I've looked into doing these before. They're like really complicated, but super cute. This is a bookmark, which actually would look adorable in a planner, or maybe even like a TN would be super cute in. So you have the little bow on top in pink, and then you have her little dragonfly logo down the bottom. So you could do like, let's see this. I wish I could move this over. This would actually be adorable. Like, how cute is that? Look at all the foil, all the shiny bits. So that's super cute. Love this. So cute. I love the pink too. So this is a metal bookmark, which is so pretty.